Good evening students. As we were discussing writing portion in previous videos, and in this video you will see how to write article. Actually this video is for 9th class student plus 10th class student and upper classes also. Mostly we find that students don't pay attention on article writing. Actually article writing is of 8 marks in your examination. It is very simple. Its format is also very simple. In article writing, at first we have to read the question. Many times the topic is given in the question. Sometimes it may not be. You have to read and find it out what is asked in the question. Now you will write topic, and as I said that topic should be very attractive with 3 or 4 words, not long. And while writing topic you should pay attention that first word should be capital, but we don't put prepositions and articles in capital. Just like we have to write article on value of education, then we will write this way: value of education. So V will be capital, E will be capital, but of its preposition, so O will be small, and title will be underlined. Next thing is format, that we will write by. By means name of writer. Sometimes in question name of writer is given and sometimes it may not be. So you will not write your name anywhere. You will write the name given in the question. Just like question is like this: you are Kavya, and you have to write an article on value of education, how education is making students disciplined, and how education is giving them practical and technical knowledge. So you will write here by. Next thing is our content. In content we will pay attention on 3 things. First is introduction. In this you will introduce about the topic, just like education, what is the value of education in our life. Second will be main heading, main matter. Main matter will tell about the value of education in practical life, and you will focus on education, institutions, technical development also. And third will be conclusion. In conclusion you will have to give the solutions and some of your plannings and the role of government to upgrade the standard of education in our country. So this will be conclusion. This is the format of writing an article. You should pay attention on grammatical words, you should pay attention on spellings also, and this is of 8 marks. The 2 marks are for format only, and in format we remember only 2 things. One is heading and second is by. By is the name of writer and first is the topic, and next there comes content. Okay, I think you will understand it.